What in the world is this thing? The team over at Braiins has absolutely outdone themselves. Every home crypto miner probably doesn't need one of these, but I think you're absolutely going to want one. What is going on, crypto miners, and welcome back to the channel. Well, in today's video, we're taking a look at the brand new Braiins Deck, a product you probably didn't know that you needed, but you will absolutely want by the end of today's video. Huge shout out to the team over at Braiins.com for sending us the brand new Braiins Deck. But what do we have here? The Braiins BMM-101 mini solo Bitcoin miner that also now supports the functionality of running a Bitcoin node from home. We're going to give this away. Huge shout out to Braiins. Stay tuned for more details. But let's take a look at the new Braiins Deck. This thing looks awesome. Absolutely reminds me of the Apple of the crypto mining space. I mean, this is totally slick. So let's get this opened up and take a closer look. Ooh, it's got the little Braiins name. I don't know if you guys can see that. Can you see that right there? Oh yeah. All right, let's open this up. Oh, it's like the shake box. That's what I call it. Get it out of there. Oh my gosh, that is huge. That is much bigger than I expected. Please do not clip this. Let's pull this out. Wow. Okay. Nothing else in the box here. It doesn't look like. All right, so let's see here. Oh, I'm going to give you guys the satisfaction. Look at this. Ooh. Probably should have waited till I put my fingers all over it. That looks so... Look, you can see my face. That is very reflective. Holy cow. Look at this, guys. I like this kind of gunmetal color to it. It's actually super lightweight. There's the back side here. This must be for airflow, reset, and USB Type-C and Braiins Deck. But that's it. Look at this. This is like, I shouldn't say that's it, because this is really slick. So this is called the Braiins Deck, and we are going to have the ability to fully customize this entirely on here with all different, they're calling them widgets, all different widgets on here. So all different things like Bitcoin's price, the hash rate, the network hash rate, the current time. You could actually upload your own little images to this as well. You could put different stock prices on here as well. I can't wait to get in this and customize it. I bet you I could put the Hobbyist Miner logo on this thing. This is crazy how reflective this is. That's why I'm trying not to touch it and like get it all messed up with my fingerprints. But this is super slick. All right, so I don't have a power cable for it, but it uses, checking their site, you have to order it separately. That's my bad. It looks like it does use a USB Type-C. 9-volt DC 3A. Let me see if I have something like that. All right, moment of truth. I went ahead and grabbed a watt meter here from the meter box. This has been so handy. I do have a cable. Now this is probably entirely overkill, but this is a 140 watt. This is like your MacBook adapters out there. This does require, I think it's something like 33 watts or higher. So your normal USB Type-C, at least if you're in the US, may not be enough power. I did try a few other adapters, some cheaper ones I have for my Android phone, and that wasn't enough power. So let's go ahead, try this out. We're gonna get this plugged in. We'll also report back on the watts. Let's put this face down so you guys can see. Now the light has to turn green. If it turns red, that means it's not enough power. So that's why I'm using this beefier power supply. We're red, oh, we're green. Nice, let's spin this around. Ooh, I like the little light glow there. It says Braiins on it. I'm trying to come from this angle so you're not sitting here staring at me the whole time. Oh, oh, that's intense. I like the little sound effects we get there. Braiins Deck. I swear, I told you, it's like the Apple. All right, so we got a reddish pink light down here. That's kind of cool that we have this light bar. I didn't see that when we were flipping it around. Initial setup. Start with connecting to Braiins Deck Wi-Fi. Braiins Deck B3D. All right, so I'm going to do this on my cell phone, and I'm not going to run through step by step of everything, but once you connect to this on your cell phone, it brings up the page and you just put in your home's wireless info, and then it's totally accessible from like a computer and such. So let me get this at least on my home network. Look at that, that's cool. All right, here we are over on the IP address. So we're gonna set 12-hour time if you're in the US here. And then we can go ahead and pick our different time zones here. So I'll probably just do New York, as that's always like the one to go to here on the East Coast. The date format says date, month, year. Let's change that because we're crazy here in the US to do month, day, year, and everything else looks good. Let's do save and continue. Ooh, check this out. So we have the ability, a clock, we have Bitcoin ticker and combined scene, which is actually pretty slick. So I wonder, screen cycling on, that's kind of cool. You can turn that off though, but then like you can add additional scenes in here, and it looks like combined scene, clock, block, height, Bitcoin. Ooh, I like the combined scene because I think I can turn these off. And let me go ahead. Let me get a camera on this while we're doing this to take a closer look. All right, I got a camera on it now, so that'd be a little easier as we kind of go through this to see what's going on. I like this combined scene here, and you can actually add new scenes too, but in the combined scene, we can edit this. Ooh, I like this layout. Like you can kind of like move things around. So like if I wanted the Bitcoin ticker, does that let me move it? Let's see. Oh, it does. Oh, you can make like even more. Okay. So can I add more scenes in here? I'm getting ahead of myself. Let's check out what else is on here. I'm getting excited. So you got system settings here, which is all the expected stuff that we just went through. Display, you can change the screen brightness, and there's also a night mode if you put this like on a nightstand. There's a sound and light feature. Oh, definitely like the LED. That's cool. Security, you can change the password, and there's upgrades. And it looks like there's a new version. So let me upgrade the firmware here. The nice thing is you can just do it right within the web page. So let's download and upgrade the firmware. All right, so our firmware update is done. Let's take a look at what else we got here. Connected accounts. Manage your API credentials and services. Open your Braiins pool. Okay, so you can add your Braiins pool, which I guess then pulls your information. That's pretty slick. Dude, I'd love to have like, also for accounts, be able to add like YouTube or Twitter. I'll be able to see like a counter on like views or subs. That would be pretty sweet. Now, granted, only for content creators, but still, you know, I get it. Alarms, you can actually set alarms on this just like a traditional clock. I like that feature. That's definitely different. All right, so let's build our own kind of display setup here. Now, there's a few features that aren't in this kind of pre-release that I got my hands on. I don't have the weather in there yet. I don't have some of the stock ticker stuff in there yet. And they're still working on the remote image to get that working, which ought to be sick. I can't wait to see like being able to put the Hobbyist Miner logo on there. But let's do a combined scene, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and pop on the camera here. All right, the camera is recording. So let's do, I want to do Bitcoin ticker, but large. Like I want to see that the most. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Pops up right there for you guys to see. Let's do the clock in the top left. I kind of like the, let's see what the different analog looks are. There's one that's kind of hard to see. I like that one. That one's pretty cool. I don't think we need to show, let's see. That looks pretty good. We'll stick with that one there. I think I just want to make sure I put in New York in here. I mean, you can show multiple time zones, which is kind of nice. And then let's see, what else do we want to do? Let's do, actually, let's make this one medium. Wow, look at that. Okay, yeah. That looks good. I like that. And let's do block height. We'll do small. All right. And then let's do mining data. Let's do small as well. Check that out, guys. You guys can see that right now. That looks really slick. So let me go back here. So that one is on at the current moment, which is nice. It's got a little like red glow underneath of it. Dude, this is sick. I cannot wait until they add some of the additional features on this. All right, so let's take a closer look at this product. So this is made by the team over at Braiins.com, which most of you guys probably know for their firmware for Bitcoin miners. Now, taking a look at the Braiins Deck here, you may have quickly noticed that we didn't talk about mining. This product is built for miners as a tool for miners, as a display for miners, but it does not mine on its own. So I want to make sure we make that entirely clear. This is not a solo Bitcoin miner. It's not a pool miner. This is a deck or a display for home crypto miners like you and I, which I think is perfect timing with the holidays. So it is pre-order right now, ships in November. So you guys are watching this right before November. Scrolling down, taking a look, they do have a full shop available. Here's the BMM-101 that we talked about earlier that we're actually going to be giving away today. That is a miner. And I have two great videos on this. I'll link them down below if you guys are interested in learning more about that. But more on the deck. So as we talked about, does ship in November of 2025, and it's meant to be a display. And you can see it's got all different avenues, even with the clock here, analog, digital, classic, or it flips. I do like that idea. You can set it up as an alarm. You could set it up to show the weather coming up here soon. Look at that road map. So they're going to be adding a ton more. I do like these. Oh, whoa, that's cool. Look at that. Oh, look at this. You can click. I like this. Like shuffle. This kind of gives you guys some ideas. So if you do have any workers on Braiins Pool, look at that. It actually shows your hash rate and everything. Dude, that is sick. This thing would be perfect right next to my desk, right next to the monitor there. Let's see what else we got. Oh, that one looks good. I like the hash price. This one I like. I like the flipping clock here in the top left. That's a slick look. And some of these other ones must be, I didn't see anything yet for like Apple or other stock tickers and stuff. So a lot of this stuff must be coming. I know we're super early with this device. So look at this BTC price ticker, price alerts, crypto assets, stocks and commodities. That is slick. I do like that. Scrolling down here some more. Track your the blockchain data. That's really, really nice. Dude, their pictures are like so clean. I wonder if these are AI or if they're actually like actual real pictures they took, because they look really cool. Okay, so taking a look here a little bit more, the Braiins Deck pre-order for November 2025 comes in at $249. If you use the code Hobbyist, it will save you guys a few bucks. So I'll put that down below as well, the code Hobbyist. Make sure you guys get the correct power supply. I would just order one directly from them. You can see here 33 watt. Now you definitely want the US one. So it is going to cost you a few bucks more. You'll be just over probably $22, $23 for the actual power supply. And it looks like you can pre-order now. There's 2,200 units as of right now. All right, moment of truth. The giveaway for the Braiins BMM-101 mini miner looks just like this guy here. This is actually a touch screen, very, very similar to what we actually were just looking at with the Braiins Deck. This is just kind of the previous model and does have the built-in miner. So the BMM-101, the mini Bitcoin miner that now actually supports running a Bitcoin node off of it. How do you enter the giveaway? Well, easy. Comment down below. I do this a lot. Where would you put it if you won this mini miner? Do you have like a shelf or a hutch like I have up here? Maybe put it up there next to the GPUs. You know, you put it on a bedside. You want to put it on your desk. Where would you put this if you won? In what? 2 weeks, we'll pick one winner and I will ship this anywhere in the world. And I'll cover shipping, the upfront shipping for you. Any weird import taxes or customs, you guys will have to cover. But comment down below. Huge shout out once again to Braiins' team. All right, so the Braiins Deck. This thing is slick. Very, very cool. As I said before, I'll still say it now. Absolutely the kind of Apple of the crypto mining world. This is an unbelievable display. I cannot wait until they add in some of the release launch features like weather and stock tickers and being able to add the image. Put a little Hobbyist miner image right there. Get the weather on this. This thing would be perfect for any home crypto miner's desk. Guys, I'll leave links to this directly down below, as well as a discount code if you're interested. I'll see you guys next time. Hey everyone, quick announcement that I'm pumped to share with you. I've officially teamed up with the Mining Disrupt crew to help spread the word about one of the biggest crypto mining events of the year. Mining Disrupt 2025 is coming up fast, and this time it's happening in Dallas, Texas. I've personally attended the last 3 years, and I can tell you from experience, if you're serious about mining, this event delivers. Whether you're a home miner just getting started, managing a mid-sized farm, or running a full-scale hosting operation, Mining Disrupt brings the community together under one roof. Expect major hardware launches, inspiring talks from industry leaders, opportunities to meet fellow miners, connect with content creators, and brand new this year, a mining farm tour. Tickets are available right now and use the code HobbyistMiner at checkout for 20% off. Just click the link in the video description or scan the QR code on the screen right now. Listen, I'll be there and I'd love to see you too. Let's make it a week to remember. Mining Disrupt 2025. Here we come.